Hi, I'm Mike Towsey, and I'm here to talk a little bit about proper handling of punches and dies. One of the things that we see all the time when we're around tablet presses is a clear misunderstanding of how delicate tooling really is and how delicate the press really is. First of all, when we have tooling, we want to always store it in some type of container that protects the tools from getting bumped around during cleaning and handling. And we're always going to, when we take a punch, do some level of quick inspection. We would inspect where the tool's going, and when we put the tool into the machine, we would make sure to install it carefully, make sure it fits freely, that it's not tight, that we didn't force it. So that would be a demonstration of a proper way to handle tools. So when they come out, same thing, we would take them out and reverse that order. Take a look again. Put the tool back in to a place that it would be taken to be cleaned. Now the other thing we see all the time is really poor handling, where somebody's taken the time to maybe clean and inspect these tools, and they laid them out on a cart that can easily move and allow the punches to roll together. Don't worry, I'm using older tools, so I'm not damaging anything. It's for the demonstration. But the point is that hearing that is a potential of tips to hit each other and be damaged. Also, here are dies. I often see dies that are just kind of thrown onto the cart or put on the machine, maybe put onto the die table, or getting ready to put the machine in and they're put down, or just dropped around. And by the way, the dies are the hardest steel in and around the press, harder than the die table, harder than the punches. So if there's a mark on the die, it's going to leave a mark on the machine. I'll always, very frequently see operators, when they want to install punches, grab multiple punches at the same time. So instead of taking one at a time and inspecting it and putting it in as we demonstrate, what I see that's a mistake is kind of the baggage handler approach, and let's grab a bunch and kind of get ready to put them in the machine. I've seen people load multiple punches, kind of, you know, and they're really not fitting the tools, not really making sure that they're right. Let me force them into place, kind of thing. That would be totally unacceptable. And again, unacceptable removal is multiple punches back into my hand, back into a cart. Oh, they just have to be cleaned. So that's the difference. It's very simple. Handle components individually for success. If you want failure, you want to have tablet defects, handling them incorrectly, which you don't want to have, but handling punches incorrectly and handling dies incorrectly and mistreating the machine are sure ways to get it. Thanks very much.